Earth. Whoever kills me next.
Little kids in Animal Company. Oh! Dang it, no. I need to go buy grenades.
I'm doing that too! Whoever kills me next is bad!
Buy more nades!
No, I missed. No.
Oh no! No, whoever kills me next is gay, I said.
No. Hit him. No, I didn't hit him. Oh, he's still alive.
Supposed to see me fly! Pew pew! Oh no! I missed! I'm shooting stars!
Watch out! Watch out! Take it down. Guys, this is the best way to waste my money, dude. I'm too rich.
I know, bro.
I'm too rich. This is like the best way to waste my money. This is my favorite way to waste money. Green, you're not safe if you go out there. Nobody's safe if they go out there.
What is this? Yo, guys, what is this?
You can ride people.
You can ride people. That sounds a lot sus in when you say it.
Yes.
Yes, sounds so sus. I wanna die. What? I gotta ride somebody. I want to ride something. Somebody. Can I ride somebody?
Wait, I can ride you. Wait, guys. Yo, guys.
Yo, they brought shotguns back. They brought shotguns back.
Oh, let's go.
I'm just flashbanging. I'm not doing any harm. I'm just flashbanging people.
Yo, guys, we're on the top. Hey!
I do actually. Wait, how? Yep. Somebody just sent me a message, so. Why? Yeah, actually. Yep. Okay, wait. Somebody just sent me a message or something. Let me see. Oh, no, it's just my thing. My watch going off. It's me. Wait, no, wait. Can you not dump it out? Can we double some shotgun ammo? I got two. Let's go. Open it. Ray guns now? Oh, shotguns didn't double. So it's the last thing that's put in. Oh, the shotgun ammo didn't go in. Open. Pull it up. See. Oh my god. Open it. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna take. You're welcome. Dude, I'm casually recording too. Let's see what doubled. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do. And here's you two ray guns. Yeah? I got him right here, Alex. Oh. Sorry. Dude, I really have the urge to duplicate stuff. No, I know how to. Okay, can you make sure my bag doesn't disappear? Do I have to have two of the same bags? Don't. Please don't dump it out. A lot of stuff. Yes. Wait, what should I double? Oh, shotgun ammo. I'm doubling some shotgun ammo. Yeah, it's pretty. So, like this, right? Like this. My controllers don't let me. Wait. Yep. Good enough? I don't feel I'm going in. And what do I do? Put one on my bag? Yep. Oh, what was the code again? Why? Dude, let's see, did I do it right? Oh my god. I call dibs on this one though. Oh yeah, mine's too. Wait. Wait, don't, no, I'm trying to reload one of my shotties. No, wait, we should, oh. No, wait, no, we should duplicate ray guns for him. We should duplicate ray guns. And never mind. Oh. No. No. Yeah? If you kill me, I can't. I'm playing with the cold on, dude. Wait, let me see what my head's at. 10? I'm yeah, that's what I'm doing. Dude, I'm dying here. Alex, can we just do a public code now? Is it not worth it now? I'm going to a public code at this point, do I? Yes. Okay. Now we're gonna go to. Alex, can you pull me, please? I'm too heavy. Yay. Yay. Where did you go? Yay! Okay, thanks. That's kind of helped me a little. Done! Okay, I'm going to a public with a PvP. I'm giving out. I'm giving out free shotgun ammo and. Bye. So let me just do this.
Hold up, someone get on black. Someone get on black. Yo,
Yeah,
blue,
you
blue.
Yo, let me get on black. Let me get on
Get on
black.
black.
I'll get on black.
Get on black.
Black.
Who wants some free shotgun
Shoot
ammo?
the kid in there. Black.
What
Black.
if
Shoot the
someone
Who's
kid
free
in there.
shotgun
Find
ammo?
money.
Black, you need shotgun ammo?
Black. Shoot the kid in there, dude. Black. Shoot the kid in there
shotguns are
who's buying currency. He just bought like currency.
You want to go to
He
your
literally-
haunted mansion?
I'll go, I wanna go.
Mansion?
Okay, guys.
Buying
Killing-
in-game currency. Dude.
Nobody's safe. Nobody's safe. Nobody's safe, guys. Nobody's safe out here. Nobody's safe out. This is the old block.
Amazing! What in the world?
I got
Oh
this.
my worst scene. Oh my
I can get that blue kid. Dang it. Oh yeah, you did get him.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, I missed.
Nah, tan, booty cheeks, tan.
Okay. Dude, I literally traded someone a shotgun for a bag with like 10 grenades. I like
Damn.
this crossbow grenade better than a shotgun. Like they're much better. Like you can shoot so far away with crossbows, and then shotguns you have like a very small range.
Dude, this is.
Like a
I'm gonna go to haunted mansion so I can make it there.
No.
Oh yeah, I got him.
Dude, I'm gonna need
Yes, you can buy
no.
shotguns again. Phew.
Yeah, bro, you can buy shotguns again.
Nobody's
Yeah.
safe.
You can buy
Dude,
shotguns.
this is the old block.
But at the same time,
Guys, this is the old block. Nobody's safe.
Alright, how do you spell it?
oh crap, I got stuck. Oh,
Guys, this is the old block.
saw someone. No one.
Guys, this is the hood.
I'm
Guys, this is the
grenade.
hood.
Ah!
I'm blowing up little kids right now. It's so fun.
Yo, this kid used bought in-game
I'll
currency.
do
That's
it.
crazy. In-game currency is crazy.
Wait!
I'm missing my shots. I'm missing my shots. Is that good?
What does this
Oh, yeah.
thing do?
Oh, you can
How do I
like
put-
get on people's back. Get on
How
his
do I
saddle.
put
Get
my
on
back-
his saddle.
How do I put my backpack away?
You can grab
Here,
on
here,
people's
here,
saddle.
here.
I'm from the old block.
Get on me. You're student
Not gonna happen.
Dude, this is the best thing to wasting
It's a
money.
fun ride.
Yo!
Yo!
Guys, this is the old block.
Yo!
Yes!
I killed him! Dude, I'm so happy I didn't kill you though. I'm so happy.
Someone
I killed him.
ride me, Gray.
If I killed him,
Gray.
I would have took. I
Gray,
would have
ride
protected
me.
your shotgun though.
Ride me,
I can't
Gray.
hear you. I can't hear you.
Guys, what is this update?
Oh, you can ride people now. Look. You can ride people.
Dude, this
Ride
is
me,
the
guys.
old block.
Grab
That
the
sounds
saddle.
a little bit
Grab the saddle.
suspicious.
Hey guys,
Grab the
I'm
saddle.
How do you play?
I'm riding
I need a saddle. Don't kill me.
I'm riding you. Good. You can ride me all day long. Let me know when you're getting off.
infinite bullets in here. I have infinite bullets.
Someone tried to shot me.
How do y'all play? I'm new.
Get the science skull. Get the skull. Get the skull.
Shop! I'm new.
Oh, I
How do
killed
you
the
play?
skull. So it's not even that fun now. Okay.
I'm gonna use flashbang.
You ain't killing anyone.
Why are you trying to
I'm
kill
gonna
me?
use flash.
No.
Because you're
Watch
trying
this,
to
watch this, watch this.
Flashbangs on the little kid. Oh wait.
No, we'll miss it.
I can disorientate him. I can disorientate
Okay,
him.
go
so
over
then
there, go
you
over
can get
there.
an easier shot. Like
No,
putting a
I'm not wasting my
tranquilizer on
saddle.
a
I'm not
cow.
wasting my saddle. Go sell that. No. You go get it.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
You go
But I'm
sell
pretty
it.
sure he's telling his
How do
mom.
y'all play?
No.
I'm pretty sure he's telling his mom.
Oh, then, no, you're not.
He's both.
He's dead. He's
Dude,
dead.
I won't witness some mom.
Look, Graham.
You cannot kill me. I'm in the
Right,
safe
we
zone.
have unlimited
You're wasting all
ammo.
your ammo. Oh my god.
Grab this for the
It's
saddle.
not worth it.
I'm waiting for somebody.
Yeah, stay on.
Dude, as soon as I see a little kid exit this safe zone, they'll.
It gave me
I got him. I got him.
Yo.
The Semi-Algo. Dang it, I missed. This is the funnest thing to do. Today we'll be hunting 5-year-old children.
Please.
I'll
Please.
protect your bag, right? I don't know what's in it, but I will. Oh, yo, come on.
Don't.
What happened?
Please.
Hammer
protect one of
gets
your
scammed,
shotguns.
buddy. I have like
Hey,
shotguns.
please,
in-
head
Someone
Dude, I
stop
have one of your
shooting
shotguns.
me.
Don't worry, dude. I got one of them.
Hey,
Dude, stop taking my stuff.
shotgun!
Dude, there's one. You just took a man. shotgun.
Please. Yo, can
Not
nobody
me.
kill me? I want to grab my
You got
stuff.
robbed and you took
Do
his
you
stuff.
promise? Do you promise?
Yo, White, I will kill this kid.
Grenade. Wants a
I will
grenade.
kill this kid for you, White.
Please,
Why? Someone get it!
No. Dude, low-key.
Shoot him out of the safe.
The pimp's in the crib.
White,
losing
White,
my
do you have
heart.
any ammo in your shotgun? I'll give it back, kill the kid who took 2 of your
New
shotguns.
feature.
Yeah.
What's a new feature?
The pimp's in the crib.
Walk it like it's. Oh, I
Hey, can nobody steal?
who say
Snoop Dogg. What's my name? Snoop.
Guys, I'm the richest one here.
What's my name? Snoop
exactly.
Glock. Snoop
I kind of miss the old one. I
Blue,
Red,
give me
red.
my shotties back. Actually,
And
Blue,
Yo.
give me my shotties back. I'm
And
gonna
the
report you.
pimp-
Actually,
We're gonna call his mother. We're gonna call his mother, right? We're gonna call
Yep.
his mother.
dude, I have your mom's
We're
number
gonna call
and
the owner
air.
of this game, and you're gonna get banned, man.
Hey, what is this? Man,
The owner is
Man,
my
bro,
friend, dude.
are you
I
not-
know. Dude, the owner is my friend.
Wait.
I low-key know him.
Guys, what is this?
Trust me.
He does.
What?
Actually, give me my
What
shotties
is
back.
it?
Yeah, they drink on Saturdays and
show me,
nights. They
bro.
go to
Yep.
they go to
You're not gonna
Saturday
win.
night
You're not
football.
gonna win.
They go to Saturday night football.
What's with that?
Alrighty, I'm gonna have to report you to Discord, and you're gonna get banned.
I'll just tell him right now, dude. Wait, what's your name, Skelly? My friend. Let's see, what was his name? Wait, yo, let me see. What's his name? What's his name?
I'm gonna shoot him
Let me
right
see
in
your
the
name,
eye.
dude.
What is this?
Alrighty,
That's why I
they're
don't
looking
play
into
this.
my ban appeal for you. They're looking into it right now.
Skelly,
They're
give me my
looking at
shit
it.
back.
I'm being blown away.
Skelly, give me my
Someone's
stuff
glitching the game. They blew me up for 2
I have an idea. Do you have one of your ray guns, dude? Do you have one of your ray guns?
Yeah?
They can air it.
Wait, actually, I
Give
know.
me one of them, and I can get him out of safe zone.
Give me that.
I know how to.
I'm not letting you shoot me, bro.
What?
I'm not. Someone get out of
Wait, no,
Get
give
out.
it to me. Give
No,
it to
get him out of
me. Wait,
system.
give it to me. Wait, give
No,
it
no,
to me.
no, hold on.
Okay, thanks.
The pimp's in the crib.
Oh, guys,
I got
guys, you better watch out, guys. I'm a horse.
Snoop Dogg.
I'm gonna kill you.
Come on, just take it.
Guys, you're in big trouble. Someone's on me.
The pimp's in the crib. Watch it like it's hot.
Did this shotgun have ammo or no? Like, did your how much ammo did the shotgun in your backpack have?
I don't know. My shotty.
Did he lose both of his shotguns?
Give me my shotty, please. Wait, you still want my shotty?
Wait, there's one of them, dude. There's one of them.
Please. Please.
And the pimp's in the-
Red, please. Come on, have it.
Yeah, I'll give him back after killing him.
No. Pimp
Go
in the
ahead.
crib.
What? Oh, he stole my... Dang it. Look at how it. Yeah, I guess I'm stopping. Yo, bye.